Every year, Quantumrun Forecasting researches thousands of companies with one goal in mind: to see which companies will remain in business until 2030 and beyond. In fact, our latest report of the world's top 1,000 companies found that just 7% are likely to safely stay in business until 2030, while the next 75% of companies have scores that label their corporate longevity prospects as at risk. And what about the remaining 18%? These companies are forecasted to be acquired or disrupted out of business altogether long before 2030. So, if you're an executive or if you manage an innovation, research, or R&D department, learning the insights and solutions to avoid this third scenario will not only boost your profile, it will help your company thrive well into the coming decades. At Quantumrun Forecasting, our research and consulting agency uses long-range strategic foresight to help our clients thrive from future trends. And if you give us just 10 minutes, we'll explain who we are, what we do, and how our knowledge of future trends and diverse industry intelligence can add significant value to your business. So, let's get started. First off, Quantumrun Forecasting has been around since 2010. We work for companies across a range of sectors. Our forecasting insights are featured in major media publications, shows, and podcasts, and our passion is to track and understand those future trends that are crucial to our clients' long-term success. With this in mind, when thinking about Quantumrun Forecasting, it's important to view us as expert generalists who support expert specialists. As a professional in your field, it's your responsibility to be aware of the trends within your industry that are set to guide its progress over the coming 2 to 5 years. But like most professionals, you and your team either don't have the time or the resources to stay informed about all the different trends emerging externally that may have a direct or indirect impact on your industry, your profession, and your company. This is where we add value. Our team at Quantumrun Forecasting helps strategy, innovation, and R&D teams from a range of companies stay on top of mid to long-term trends from a wide variety of different sectors and different disciplines. In this way, our clients use our services more like an outsourced research partner that supplies them with a steady stream of new ideas and industry intelligence. These teams then use that research as an additional resource to cost-effectively make more thorough and informed decisions to guide their mid to long-term strategy. Our insights help businesses to grow their innovation pipelines and create new and profitable products or services. And more important, our insights will help your business position itself as a disruptor in your industry. From here, the next question we're often asked is, how do we do what we do? What's involved with our forecasting methodology that underlies the reports we'll write for you? Well, first off, the research methods we use depend a lot on you, the client, and the research focus you direct us on. A few of our clients include banks and investment firms, so with them, we do a lot of quantitative and financial analysis research. Meanwhile, for the majority of our clients, what we do involves scanning news reports, industry journals, patent filings, and a range of other publicly accessible sources that might hint at any number of emerging trends. After that, our team filters through these sources and signals to isolate those trends and insights that can directly or indirectly impact our client's business. From there, we work to merge these varied trends into a single forecast report tailored to the business division we work for. But that's not all. Depending on the client and project, we will often reach out to our network of specialists, be they individuals or other research agencies, to get insights about select fields or industries in order to add context to our reporting. And on top of that, the years we've spent doing this forecasting work has allowed our team to collect a giant database of forecasts from a wide range of fields and industries that we're able to tap in to build even more thorough reports for our clients. So, using this combination of in-house analysts, our network of specialists, and our forecast database, we've built a system that allows us to deliver future-focused research that's often more thorough and insightful than our competitors. Now that you're familiar with our methodology, let's talk about the different research and consulting services we offer. To start, we offer custom research reports on future trends on a monthly, quarterly, and one-off basis. So, whether your team is looking for research support to stay on top of emerging trends in specific industries or looking for outside of the box inspiration to build out your innovation pipeline, our trend reports will highlight insights, innovations, and forecasts both inside and outside your company's industry that your team can use to protect and grow your business into the future. We also conduct workshops and speaking engagements for clients looking to introduce or train their employees with the fundamentals of long-term strategic foresight and forecasting to help them enhance their strategic thinking abilities and generate new business ideas or competitive advantages. Next, Quantumrun Forecasting's editorial team uses internal research from our consulting division to report on the revolutions happening today in technology, science, health, culture, and business. Our editorial team can use the same research to produce forward-thinking articles, long-form features, advertorials, or even infographics for your publication or company blog that will appeal to your readers. Meanwhile, for larger companies looking for an objective assessment around their long-term viability or for companies looking to gain a deeper insight into their competitors, we offer corporate longevity assessments. This assessment report will not only grade your company on over 20 key longevity markers, but it will offer concrete suggestions to help your company last into the next 10 or 20 years. These reports are thorough and customizable around your company's needs, making them a perfect resource for your strategy and innovation teams. Next, we offer a forecast monitoring service. Just like how a media monitoring service tracks media impressions for brands, Quantumrun Forecasting can track the direct and indirect forecasts and predictions industry insiders make publicly about our clients. This helps Quantumrun Forecasting clients anticipate and preemptively manage shareholder expectations while also offering the client insights into how they can improve or grow their operations. Interesting note, we can apply this service not just to clients, but to their competitors as well. Next, new products, services, and business models live and die depending on whether prospective customers are ready to accept them. This is why we offer our social engineering service. Here, our consultants will help your marketing team engineer market acceptance for your radically new product or service offering. Finally, for the public sector, Quantumrun Forecasting has consulted with political campaigns and governments at all levels to advise them in the creation of forward-thinking policy proposals and legislation that can preemptively address and manage the most disruptive trends that are set to shape tomorrow's economy and society. At this point, we've covered who we are, how we work, and the services we offer. Another common question we're asked is, how do we compare ourselves against other consulting agencies? Well, if you're comparing Quantumrun Forecasting against larger traditional agencies, then we would say that they specialize more in managerial and strategy consulting for the short and mid-range timescales. And in all fairness, if you have a limited amount of money to spend on outside consulting, we would recommend spending at least 80 to 90% of that budget on these types of more traditional consulting firms. That said, what these agencies don't specialize in is longer-range forecasting, which is the space where Quantumrun Forecasting shines. And this kind of research is what companies need to avoid becoming the next Sears or Blockbuster over the next 5 to 10 years. And when it comes to our direct competitors, that is, other foresight agencies, we would say Quantumrun Forecasting differentiates itself by its customer service, its cost-effectiveness, and by our research that focuses on practical recommendations and applications rather than strictly theoretical analysis. We'll end off by re-emphasizing that Quantumrun Forecasting offers a range of unique, future-focused research and consulting services. These are services that can help your team and organization grow your innovation pipeline, create new and profitable products or services, anticipate trends relevant to your business, and develop thorough and effective long-term strategies that will see your business thrive well into the next decade. To schedule a call to learn more about how we might collaborate with your team or company, please fill out the form below. Thank you for your time. We're looking forward to speaking with you.